Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by getting the foundation right. Install the NET SDK you need and make sure the .NET CLI is on your path. Once done, open your chosen editor, Visual Studio for full IDE features, VS Code for lightweight editing, then run .NET version to confirm. Next, create a new project with .NET New Console and My App. This gives you a minimal project to build and debug. Make sure Git is initialized so you can track changes as you progress. Once the project exists, open it in your IDE and restore new Git packages so references resolve. You should set the target framework in the csproj file and optionally add a global JSON to pin the SDK version, which prevents surprises across machines. Configure your debugger and add meaningful breakpoints, then wire up dependencies via .NET Add Package name or the IDE Package Manager. Build with .NET Build and run quick smoke tests with .NET Run to validate the To finish, publish a release build, .NET Publish C Release R runtime, or create a Docker image for portability. Make sure to add unit tests and a simple CI pipeline so builds stay green. If deployment targets require only a runtime, produce a framework-dependent deployment. And if things go wrong, first check .NET info and confirm the SDK version matches global JSON. Path mismatches and multiple SDKs are the most common issues, so fix them.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.